Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mazda CX-30 and the Volvo XC40. We'll explore how these two popular compact SUVs stack up against each other, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle and budget. The Mazda offers a refined experience at a more accessible price, while the Volvo emphasizes luxury and cutting-edge safety. Let's dive into the details to see which vehicle truly stands out for you. When it comes to performance, the Mazda CX-30 offers a standard 191 horsepower engine, with an exciting optional turbocharged engine producing 250 horsepower. This gives it a lively and engaging feel on the road. The Volvo XC40, on the other hand, comes with mild hybrid powertrains, offering either 194 horsepower or 247 horsepower. It focuses on a composed and comfortable ride, perfect for daily commutes and longer journeys alike. Inside, both vehicles offer impressive cabins. The Mazda CX-30 features an 8-inch or available 10.3-inch infotainment display, controlled by an intuitive rotary knob. Its interior feels upscale with quality materials. The Volvo XC40 showcases a 9-inch Google-based touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital driver display, providing a modern, minimalist aesthetic. Both come equipped with essential safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control. For cargo, the CX-30 offers 22 cubic feet, while the XC40 provides around 16 cubic feet behind the rear seats. Ultimately, your choice depends on what you prioritize. The Mazda CX-30, starting around $26,000, offers fantastic value with its engaging driving dynamics and near-luxury interior. If you're seeking a more premium experience with advanced safety and a distinctive Scandinavian design, the Volvo XC40, starting at approximately $41,000, is an excellent option. Consider your budget, desired driving feel, and interior preferences to make the best decision for your next SUV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.